With the news that the new 300 series Toyota Land Cruiser wouldn't be coming to the United States was announced, quite a few people were understandably disappointed. However, the next-gen Lexus LX will be based on the new Land Cruiser, so it could be viewed as a more luxurious replacement to the now defunct 200 series. In this set of renderings, Kolesa imagines what this next-gen LX might look like. The Lexus LX always has been proportionally similar on the Land Cruiser it's based on, and that remains true in these renderings. The SUV's overall shape appears almost identical to the new Land Cruisers, but the graphics have been tweaked to stay in line with Lexus's design language. The front features the large full-width grille we've seen on concepts like the LF-1 Limitless, with a fascia that appears to have been adapted from the Compact UX crossover. The headlight design is similar to that found on many new Lexus models, where the signature checkmark-shaped DRLs are integrated into the headlights. We have to say though, while this front end is certainly distinctive, we can't help but wonder what it would look like with the more conservative spindle grille of Lexus's other models. Out back, the most notable change would have to be the full-width light bar, which features a similar design to the recently refreshed NX crossover. Other small changes include a tweaked license plate area and a revised bumper design with a new lower treatment. Additionally, Kolesa has imagined large, widely spaced Lexus lettering in place of a proper badge, which is a trend we've been seeing a lot these days, so we wouldn't rule it out. Finally, the side remains nearly identical to the new Land Cruiser, with the only real changes being new side mirrors and a different window shape, the latter of which becomes less squared off to be more in line with the angular Lexus design language. The wheels appear to have the same design as the IS350F Sport, and they actually work surprisingly well with this design. The new Lexus LX is expected to be revealed sometime in September, with sales beginning in December. Reports claim that it could be offered in two guises, the LX 600, with the Land Cruiser's 3.5L twin-turbo V6, and the LX 750H, with that same engine and an electric motor.